Hello viewers, welcome back to FeliVC Geo World YouTube channel. Sit down and get ready to elevate your spatial analysis skills with our latest tutorial on preparing NDVI using ArcGIS. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of harnessing the power of Normalized Difference Vegetation Index (NDVI) to assess vegetation health and environmental changes. Learn how to extract and pre-process satellite imagery, calculate NDVI values, and visualize the results using ArcGIS. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced analyst, this tutorial will equip you with the invaluable knowledge to tackle spatial analysis challenges. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press on your notification bell to stay updated with FeliVC Geo World for more exciting tutorials, tips, and tricks in the world of geospatial analysis. So let's get started in today's tutorial. To calculate the Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, the formula is near infrared minus red over near infrared plus red. So for this tutorial, I will be using the Landsat collection 8 for my analysis, and near infrared for Landsat 8 is band 5 and red is band 4. So for any Landsat collection you are using or any other thing, just know the band that is near infrared and red. So next thing to do now is to add the data, the imagery. And so for my I want to be sure. So this is the file containing all the bands downloaded. So band 4 and band 5 is the now I've added the two values. The next thing to do is to calculate the NDVI. So you go to the Arc toolbox and go to Spatial Analysis Tools. Click on the map algebra to use the raster calculator for the calculation. So this is the band 5 and band 4. So in order to calculate the NDVI, using the formula we have earlier stated, so float, I'll be adding band 5 minus band 4 over, then don't forget to add the float, over band 5 plus band 4. So I'll save this in the folder that I've already created for my analysis, NDVI. I just want to give it some, because I already have it. So NDVI. So here the analysis. So while we wait for the process to complete, here is the value and here is the NDVI we have just calculated. So I can remove all of that spatial imagery that are not required. So the next thing to do now is to classify this. As we all know that NDVI value range from -1 to 1. So from the analysis we've done so far, the lowest value we have here is -0.23 and the highest value is plus 0.678. So you can now reclassify. So I go to property while clicking on the NDVI, and instead of using the stretch, I will classify. So under class, I'm going to classify it into 4 classes. As we all know that negative values correspond to areas with water surfaces, man-made structures, rocks, clouds, snow, and so on. And bare soil usually falls within 0.1 to 0.2 or 0.3 thereabout, while then sparse vegetation ranges from 0.3 to 0.5, and dense vegetation ranges from 0.5 to 1. Okay, so here is okay. As you can see now, we've been able to classify the NDVI base, so you can further reclassify if you have the threshold for other classes. So this is the end of today's video. So you can further do analysis based on the area you want to use your NDVI. This NDVI I have prepared, I want to use it in estimating land surface temperature, and you know NDVI is needed for calculating the proportion of vegetation. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, you can go to the comment section to drop your comment. And if this video is helpful to you, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to stay tuned for the next video.